welcome to my art channel. Thanks for joining me today. So another experiment with Decoart Satin Enamel thin for my base. So this is approximately 10 parts of my house paint, just what I normally use for my pillow paint. So it's just white, low sheen wall paint, house paint. And to that I've added 1 part of Decoart Satin Enamel in warm white, and Floetrol, obviously Australian Floetrol, as I'm in Australia we can't get US Floetrol, Australian Floetrol, and water to consistency, and that's my consistency. Can you see that? So no trace. Right. Colours, I've got Triart Iridescent Copper, Triart Pale Gold, Triart Bronze, and Triart Primary Magenta. And this is my usual CA. I don't know what this is going to do, so we'll see. This is my Atelier Rich Gold and Australian Floetrol. And this is a little bit thinner than usual because it's so hot here, so it might work in my favour with this thin mix, so we'll see. I've got a 12-inch round and a 16-inch round. I'm debating which one to use, whether to go for the big one in case it's yucky or go for the smaller one. We shall see. So I want something very, very minimal. Soft and dreamy looking. My dog's got his head in my paint bag. With all my paint rags, I have to go. Let's get messy. So the experiment wasn't 100% successful. It was very, very pale. The Decoart ate a lot of the colour. Then I didn't put a lot of colour down anyway, did I? But what colour I did put down, it ate it. So I had to embellish it, and I used watercolours, metallic watercolours from Kmart, just cheap ones. I don't know anything about watercolours, so I just bought a cheap palette to use, and then I embellished it with my pens. So you'll see that at the end of the video if you want to stick around to see what I did with it. It ends up really pretty. I'm really happy with it. So thanks very much, guys.
Just 'cause I'm too proud, whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. My ways are mine and I don't want to change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a Saw you paint a picture of a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised